Okay, welcome. This GeoGebra app is somewhat unique compared to the other ones that we've got looked at. There's no grid. You can't turn on the grid, but we are operating on grid with integer, or otherwise called lattice coordinates or lattice points. Okay, so we just start off with some slope calculations. What I want to do is make sure that the run I calculate is always positive. Now to do that, you always want to start with the coordinate more to the right, the x value more to the right. Now it's y's over x's, so this will be the denominator. 5 take away 3 will be the denominator. 7 take away 4. If I subtract upwards, I'm going to have to subtract upwards here. So you always want to find the point that's to the right. Okay, let's pop a over to the right. So as I look at this, you see that this is to the right. 7 take away 5, I am subtracting down. 7 take away 5 is 2. 3 take away 7 is minus 4. So we're going to have a gradient of minus 4 over 2, which would be minus 2. There's the formula. What I'm saying is this second point should always be to the right. It doesn't have to be. We do want to avoid negative runs. Well, they've actually calculated the wrong way around, but that's their business. Okay. Now our equation, technically speaking, you really don't want to be going straight into the y is equal to mx plus c format from your slope. It's much better to go with the implicit ax plus by equals c format. Okay, now that is the format, and luckily in this occasion we have a integer intercept, but that will not normally be the case. Okay, whereas you will have an integer format if you use ax plus by plus c. Hope you get it. But one way or the other, and so what I would suggest is how you use this is turn on a variable point and use it to roughly calculate the c value. Now it isn't perfect because there's a rounding issue here. You can't get that quite to 0 sometimes, but it roughly tells me this is going to be 7.15 at 7.2. Okay, so it'll have its uses, improve your learning, but it isn't a great idea to calculate from 2 points what the line in its y equals mx plus c format. It's way better off to create the line as ax plus by equals c format. Thank you.